what I think is very interesting is I recently researched how many business conversations do we have on average per day? And that average is typically anywhere from 25 to 50.
25 to 50.
I know that's a large number, but let's just go on the minimum end and say you have an average of 25 conversations a day. We are great at having those conversations. However, what we could improve on is the memorialization or documentation of what those conversations were. If we start looking at our digital conversations, emails, text message, etc., that can raise anywhere from 30 to 100 conversations per day. So we have to slow down to be able to speed up and just take a deep breath and just methodically walk through that process. Our normal restoration contractor may start his day at 7 o'clock. They're working on limited sleep. Now, all of a sudden, it's something where they're getting up and they're already starting to have these interactions. And what they find the biggest challenge is just taking a second to take a breath and write down what just happened.
This is going to be really good. I hope everybody will join in because documentation often makes or breaks the difference between a successful collection and an unsuccessful collection. This is going to be December 19, 2024 at 7 a.m. until 8:30 a.m. You can sign up at restorationcrosscheck.com/REB13. That's Restoration Expert Briefing number 13. And we look forward to seeing all of you and Rob on December 19.